So you guys have actually two, at least, versions of your apps available on AppSource, correct? Can you tell us a little bit about the apps that you have available?
Yeah. So now, in the meantime, we from year to year kind of dived deeper into Navision and into Business Central. We got to learn more about it. We also made some decisions where we got a bloody nose, but I think right now we have sorted out quite well what we can do, what we can't do, what we want to do, and what we do not want to do. So we start having a quite clear focus on manufacturing companies and a bit also on professional services companies, but most of the time it's manufacturing. So either if they use the manufacturing capabilities of Business Central, or if they are more on the, let's say, project manufacturing, engineering to order side of things, then they might use the jobs module with the resource planning. And so we have now visual scheduling. It ends both for those customers who work with the jobs and the resource planning module. And there's one extension that is called the visual job scheduler. It is on AppSource, and it is the visual drag and drop front end to jobs and job planning line and job task and resources. And then when it comes to customers working with the manufacturing capabilities, we actually have two add-ins. We still have our, let's say, the bread and butter product, which is the visual production scheduler, which is the visual drag and drop front end to the standard Business Central manufacturing capabilities. And this is still the product that evolved from what Microsoft did in 2004 with our technology. And now we made it again for Navision, and we made it for Business Central. The principle is the same. I think the way we did it now is much better, actually, as to what Microsoft did in 2024, but the principles and the thoughts behind are still the same. And then on top of this, we actually, over the years, being engaged with Navision and Business Central partners and customers, we learned actually that in the core manufacturing module and capabilities, there are some gaps that turn out to be critical for larger manufacturers, for manufacturers with more volatility in their processes, with higher volume of production orders, and they need some additional capabilities that also out of the box Business Central does not offer. So for those customers, we actually started to build also additional functionality into Business Central and then make this available for more advanced production scheduling. So when it comes to production scheduling, we have two products. We have the pure manual drag and drop scheduler, which is the visual production scheduler. And then we have a product called VAPS, Visual Advanced Production Scheduler, which takes scheduling to the next level, which provides and which closes some gaps basically that there are in the core, in the standard manufacturing capabilities. So yeah, we have three apps, two for production scheduling, one for jobs and resource scheduling. They're all on AppSource.
Interesting. Yeah. So the jobs one, that's interesting. And then in the manufacturing, if I understand this correctly, put it into, let's see if I can kind of translate that into my speak here, is like the visual scheduler solution that with the effectively is a visual representation of the data in Business Central. Right, and it allows you to. There's some drag and drop functionality there, but you're using all of the standard Business Central business logic and whatnot, and then the advanced the advanced version, the advanced visual scheduler, you've actually embedded some additional features, functionality, logic in there that actually kind of changes the capabilities of scheduling.
That's correct. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, that's
interesting.
correct.
Yeah.